Okay.
Yeah, there you
so
go. He can do better than you.
For those not being able to hear, my man.
I'm not going to charge you. I just mean that.
Not what I meant. So Nathan just did an awesome little business moment here. Nathan's our producer here. Nathan is a part of the Eo7 team. If you watch the pitch session, you will see Nathan full bloom. Nathan just informed me that he can mat my posters for me with a hand bevel tool, and he says, I'll do it for cheap. First and foremost, as a business, you should never use the word cheap. This is my personal opinion, because the word cheap cheapens your brand and the product you are selling or service.
Should he have used the word free though?
Affordable.
Affordable. Okay.
Affordable. Because if you're good at something, why should you ever give it away for free?
Good point.
You did say the end.
No, just for the cost of materials.
I'm still going to pay you.
Oh,
Just
only because
charge
he's doing a friend favor.
I know.
Yes,
When you sell something
Okay.
and you want to give them a discount or something like that, be careful of the word cheap.
Okay, so don't say cheap. Can you say discount or no?
Oh, discount's fantastic.
Is
I mean,
it?
you love the word discount.
I am, yes,
That-
but I'm
you are
not a
the
high-end
market.
shopper, so
Well,
it's like,
right,
but I do love the word
it
discount.
depends on the place you're at. The
Sure.
word discount, I think, is more ubiquitous. It's more universal.
Okay.
Cheap makes it feel like, oh, why is it cheap?
Yeah. I do love discounts, and usually I prefer to shop at stores that are either always discounts, such as thrift stores, and I actually avoid stores that always offer a discount. Like I used to shop at Kohl's a lot, and there was always a freaking sale no matter what. Everything was on sale, everything was 40% off, and I'm like, it's such an everyday thing now that it's not special anymore.
Right.
So now, like when Target has a sale, it's only 10 or 15 or 20% off, and it's only every once in a while. Like, if I'm shopping for a bra or something, it's like I know it's a special sale because that bra hasn't been on sale in 6 months, so I'm more likely to buy it because it's almost like an exclusive discount, not an everyday discount. So you're going back to what your point was. I
The
agree.
discounts are scarce. I think you bring up an amazing point here. How many businesses do these discount all the time thing just to make you feel like you're getting a discount? And how many businesses, and this is proven time and time again, by the way, and if you really want to have fun, look at some statistics from Black Friday and Apple's Prime Day.
Okay. What happens?
Where they'll release a product for X price, and then the next day, when the sale day happens, the price is X. It could be literally the same price, but now there's a little button above it that says 30% off. And it's like, well, it wasn't that price. What I do is I flood my Amazon cart full of things I need or want, from like parchment paper for like my baking to like film gear.
Okay.
And I just watch it all the time. I watch how the prices fluctuate. So when things come up like Black Friday, and like a lens will come up on sale, and it's the exact same price it's been all year. It's like, well, that's kind of shady.
Yeah, I was not aware of that. I think you pointed it out, and also people started doing screen caps.
I'm so glad.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like, here's the big, what is it called? The July, what is it called? The Amazon sale in July
the Prime.
that they have?
Prime Day.
Prime Days, that's it, yeah. So it says like 33% off, and I jump on that because it's red and it says 30%.
Yeah.
And then somebody's like, screen cap, it's like the same freaking price. That actually turned me off so much that I almost stopped shopping on Prime Day on Amazon now.
Yep.
So it's like, and I'm starting to do what you are doing, like keeping track of the actual prices. So that's kind of shady. It's like, it's going to bite them in the butt if they're not careful.
And it's not just them. It's you said yourself, Kohl's is always 40% off. Well, I mean, why?
But for some reason, I trusted Amazon to actually give me a discount.
You would think so,
Yes,
wouldn't you?
but because it was in red and it was limited time, and it was like they also have the
countdown?
The countdown. Oh man,
That drives me nuts.
That works though.
Oh, it does.
Oh, it works
does.
for me. It works. Like sometimes I like 99% gone. I'm like, oh, do I like? And that creates that urgency because it's almost gone.
Yep.
But
Now it's scarce.
Yeah.
Now it's not obtainable if I wait 9 minutes.
And then, did you ever get on the waiting list? You never get anything from the waiting list.
I've never once gotten anything from the waiting list. I have been on the waiting list quite a few times.
That's what I'm saying. You sign up, but you don't get
I've never
anything.
gotten
so
a
what's
notification.
The point?
Well, I mean, maybe other people are. I mean, granted, not many people are getting on the waiting list of the items that aren't selling well. I think a lot of people are getting on the waiting list of the items that do sell well, but literally all you're doing is giving them your email, then it's just an aggregator.
True. But I mean, if you have regular things that you buy, like cat litter or
Which
dog
we buy a
food
lot
or
of,
whatever,
yeah.
then you know what the prices are. And if it's a good discount, obviously going to stock up.
But it's that's the everyday thing where you're constantly that's like gas. Like you always know what gas is, because the next time you go to get gas, you're like, well, last time I paid 4 cents more for it, so I'm getting a deal, and then the next time it's like 20 cents higher.